Hello friends, katal job ni notification ate boi hastini jobs YouTube channel lo narojotana lamsago fighting kesang tini agotala airport ni bagai katal kaisa job ni notification alenai notification akorka 18 October 2023 tarigano notification akorka post langjaknai assistant security 3 years ni bagai na contract basis langjaknai post langjaknai assistant security na langjaknai number of vacancies tongnai 436 the place of posting tongnai all India basis na langjaknai sini agotala airport ni bagai bo posting tongnai oro application submission last derongka 15 November 2023 tarik ni bisinggana norok online application makainai application fee rena nangnai general tei OBC candidate ni bagai 500 SC ST EWS and women candidates ni bagai ke 100 rena nangnai 20 October 2023 tarik ni simino online application starongka tei last date tongnai 15 November 2023 tarik ni bisinggana norok online application makainai o post ni bagai essential qualification nangnai class 12 pass khaijak nangnai general rong ni bagai hinke 60% mark teina pass khaijak nangnai tei HC ST candidate rong ni bagai 55% teina class 12 pass khaijak tongkhe norok post ni bagai application khaimanai as limit ni kero 27 years rodi norok application khaimanai job profile rijak tongo year wise salary rijak tongo first year norok na salary rijaknai 21,500 second year hinke 22,000 third year hinke 22,500 rijaknai application submission last dongkha 15 November 2023 tarik ni bisinggana norok online application khaimanai tei norok online khlai pro problem tongkhe oro email ID tei helpline number rijak tongo norok oro no contact khlaimana hinui sajak notification no application form rijak tongo application ongkha omo norok video ni description thani notification download khlai kaham khe nainadi notification ang video ni description dinai norok nugui mankana Airports Authority of India ni bisingtei assistant security post ni bagai katal notification omahai katal job ni notification naina bagai hastini jobs YouTube channel no subscribe khlai support khaide tei norok katal job ni notification nugui mannai।